Welcome to Filestage. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know as a reviewer, from accessing your reviews to leaving feedback and making decisions on content. So let's get started. First off, you will have received an invitation to review content, either through an email notification from Filestage or directly via a review link. Upon clicking the link, you'll be taken to our file viewer. Here, if a due date has been set, it will be displayed clearly, letting you know when your feedback is expected. Now, let's talk about leaving feedback. It's simple. Click anywhere on the file to add a comment marker and type in your thoughts. For more detailed feedback, use our annotation tools. And if you have broader comments not tied to a specific part of the file, just leave a general comment at the top of the comment section. If you're dealing with multiple versions of a file, you can easily switch between them to review the evolution of the content and see past feedback. For an even clearer view of changes, you can compare versions side by side along with their associated comments. When you finish reviewing, it's important to leave your review decision. Select Request Changes if you think the file needs more work, or hit Approve if everything looks good to you. For those who review files on Filestage frequently, I recommend creating a free reviewer account. This not only simplifies the review process for you, but also gives you access to a personalized dashboard. Here you see an overview of all projects you're involved in and can easily track the review progress of your reviews. One of the key features of having an account is the Awaiting My Review list, where you can see at a glance all the files across your projects that still need your review. And that's the quick walkthrough on how to use Filestage as a reviewer.